Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy altcoins before they officially launch, follow these step-by-step instructions to participate in early-stage cryptocurrency investments. Step 1. Research upcoming cryptocurrency projects thoroughly by reading their white papers, examining the team's credentials and experience, understanding the project's use case, and evaluating whether it solves a real problem. Step 2. Participate in initial coin offerings or token sales by registering on the project's official website, completing any required KYC verification, and following their specific instructions for purchasing tokens during the sale period. Step 3. Join cryptocurrency launchpads like Binance Launchpad, CoinList, or Polkastarter that vet projects and offer token sales to their users. These platforms often require holding their native tokens to participate in launches. Step 4. Follow cryptocurrency communities on social media, Telegram groups, Discord servers, and Reddit to discover new projects early and learn about upcoming launches before they become widely known. Step 5. Be extremely cautious and verify everything, as the pre-launch period is when scams are most common. Only send funds to official wallets, double-check all URLs, and never share your private keys with anyone. Step 6. Understand that most jurisdictions require compliance with securities laws, and many token sales are restricted to certain countries or require accredited investor status. Ensure you meet legal requirements before participating. Step 7. Allocate only money you can afford to lose completely, as pre-launch tokens are extremely high-risk investments. Many projects fail or don't perform as expected, resulting in total or near-total loss of investment. Step 8. Plan your exit strategy before buying, deciding whether you'll hold long-term or sell after launch when the token lists on exchanges, and set price targets that align with your investment goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.